Alright, welcome to Family by Nature. I'm here at Melcom looking for a washing machine. So the one that we bought from the UK, we bought it 6 weeks before we came, and it was, unfortunately, it's broken down and it's not working properly. Maybe because of shipping, or I don't know. So I'm on the look for a new one, and I've come to Melcom, and here are all washing machines, so I'm going to check them. I'm going to check them, see the pricing. This one is $8,299. This is from Samsung, 10-year warranty, which is good. Alright, this one too is this one is also $4,699. It's now $4,299. It's, I think, how many kilos? Let me check how many kilos. Can't find it. So both sides you have all these things are washing machine. All these are washing machine. So this is the one that I'm actually interested in. The Samsung is 10-year warranty, which is very, very good. Digital inverter. This one is at 13 kilos, which the price is, I think it's good. So it's maybe around £500 for 13 kilos. Okay, let me check this one. Powerful, let's do I'm actually eyeing this one. But I think for a big family like ours, the one that we bought in the UK was 7 kilos. And actually it was, we decided to give that to my mom and buy a new one when we arrived. So I'm checking this one. This one is 11 kilos. This one is also not bad. It's like a smaller version of this one. It's a 10-year one. It's the same like this one. But the price is now $4,099. So this one, it's like 4,200. It's like 420 pounds. Let's say 420 pounds for 11 kilos. It says it's digital inverter technology. I don't know what that means. I think it's good, a good one. All right, let's check this one. This one is 10 kilos. So you see the price is coming down based on the size. This one is 10 kilos. It's $3,799 now. It used to be $4,299. So yeah, I think personally I think I'll go for the Samsung one, and it's got, because of the 10-year warranty, I think I'll go for that one. So the choice will be this for the 10 kilos. So this will be like 3 kilos more than the one that we use, but I think technology wise it will be, I think it's more advanced. Then we have the 11 kilos, and then we have the 13 kilos. So ideally I'll go for this one. So I'm alone here at Melcom, and I'm going to show this to the family, this video, and to you as well, my subscribers, my lovely subscribers. I will show you this one, and yeah, let me know what you think about the price. So we've got this one. Let me check it. So they've got this one, this branch, like Akai. They've got this 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one is also Samsung, but this one is like, it's like more plastic. I prefer the other one, the metal ones. But this one is 12 kilos for $3,499. Also a good deal. Look at this one. Shoe tire. I think this one, I can't see the warranty. Anyway, the other one, the warranty is 10 years. Boss, but what's the warranty there saying? Wait 10 years. We are 1 year. Oh, 10 years from that one day. I'm going over there. Okay, I just asked. They're all 1 year, 1 year. So the 10 years is just, I don't know where the one comes from. It says 1 year. Okay, this one is 2199. Yeah, but I prefer the other brands. Okay, I prefer the Samsung brand. Alright, so if I were to choose, although I don't like the plastic ones, but I mean for the price, this one is also good, 12 kilos. Sorry, 12 kilos. And it's also Samsung. And apparently the one I told was 10-year warranty is 1 year. I think there's, I don't know, but there should be a difference between what the manufacturers give as 10 years and what the store gives as 1 year. So I think that's what it is. So I think the for manufacturing side is 10 years warranty. That means, yeah, that's what they offer. I think the store one is 1 year. So if you buy it and there's something wrong within a year, you can change it. Yes. It's far better from bringing washing machines from the UK to Ghana. I mean, I'm doing this video for those planning to move maybe from the UK to Ghana. Just be careful because sometimes the shipping and stuff, it can get them, you know, something can go wrong, and also the cost. So think about it. Maybe buy it here. If there is something, you can just go back, you know, and they can change. But if you buy it in the UK, you have even a 5 years guarantee or something like that. You can't just take them back. Yeah, so think about it. Yeah.
You have to deal with yourself. Our outlets, you only ship those to drain. You need to have drain. Not usually working. To when they are washing people. You see, we are where we are back. Put it in here. One for that we got. Spin everywhere. Then we spin for time of 5 years. Depending on the time of set, we'll spin we are. All I do now is automatic. You water inlet, you collect it to main water. It's a non-level tool, water upon inside. You see here, and no other bearings. Now I want to say every that sounds so stable. Push out when you tap in your one, but you tap so basically, it does everything. Wash, rinse, and then does everything. But when you wash your hair, it's a back.
So basically, we have manual. So we automatic.
That's the. It's way we are only running without but easy. More small, but I don't know what I can use this because I want some observation.
Guys, this is extremely important. Extremely important. If you're moving to Ghana, you plan to buy a washing machine, you have to know the difference. This one is a digital one. This one is what we use in the UK or the States. And this one is manual. Because there are some places you don't have water, and this will be the best fit. So I have the boss here explain everything to me. Very good. Boss, you have a job. Thank you.